Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this honeybee illustration in the app IBIS PAINT X. So I just opened the 3:4 ratio canvas and I just switching on the mirror ruler tool to create the body shapes of the honeybee and add all the details, everything in this with the mirror tool on itself. So first I created this separate layer for drawing the busy part of the honeybee and created the shape. Then I'm going to use this fur or glass brush. This brush texture is really good for creating the fur details. So I downloaded this from online option available in the IBIS Paint X. Just search fur in that and it's not going to come at the top. So I just scroll down, I was scrolling to search some beautiful brushes for the fur, and I found that brush really long down. So then, if you want the brush, please search and download. It is really useful. So in the same layer, I'm just adding the fur details to the body of the honeybee. So okay, once I'm okay with that, I'm create the new layer for drawing the black part of the honeybee. So it consists like two parts alternate like that. So I created the separate layer for the black parts, drawing the black parts, and this is the head of honeybee, and I'm adding the fur detail to it. Then moving back to the BG body part layer and drawing this something like a face. This is the top view of honeybee. So I'm just adding the fur details to it again. Then I'm moving back to the black honeybee part layer and adding the like a nose and adding fur details to it. This mirror ruler tool is very helpful to draw this. We get the exact symmetrical body shape. Now I just created the clipping layer for the body part of honeybee, busy body part, and added these stripes using the fur or glass brush. Now I just created new layer to draw the hands and legs of that honeybee. So to draw this tip, I used dip pen hard brush and I switch on the force fade to create that sharp details. So again, I'm just creating the legs, and then for the tip, I just used that dip pen hard brush again with the force fade on. While drawing the leg and hands, I didn't use that force fade on. Then I'm adding the details to it in the same layer using the further glass brush. Once I'm done with the hands, I'm going to add details to the legs. I avoided adding details to the tip, that sharp bush-like tip. Other than that, I added details to everything. Then again, I using dip and hard with force fade on. Okay. Now I want to add the eyes. So I created a new layer for drawing the eyes and using felt tip pen brush to draw the eye shape. It looks really big, so I just erased it using the dip pen eraser. Then I feel I just adding the details to it using the clipping layer. I'm using coarse pencil brush to add these details. I like this brush really, it gives beautiful texture to the art. So then I'm using airbrush, and okay, I want like this, and I feel like this ice is looking really big, so I just moved the layer to the bottom of that black part body part layer. And now I'm adding more details to it using the coarse pencil brush. Okay, I'm okay with this. Now I'm just creating the clipping layer with the blending mode linear burn to add the shadow details for this brush. For this honeybee. So I am going to create two layers, one for the shadow and another one for the highlights. So in the right side I use the shadow and use the blending mode linear burn, and in the left side I'm going to add the highlights. So I created the new layer with the blending mode add. So then I'm adding the background color, something like an algae green color. It looks really different in the camera. So then I'm adding the highlights to the hands and legs. So I just created a new clipping layer above the hands and legs layer and added the details. Now I'm going to draw the wings. To draw wings, I just created a new layer and using the felt tip paint brush hard, felt tip on and the force fade off. I just created the shape and filled the color, and I wanted to change the position a little bit, so use the transform tool, and it's okay now. Then I'm going to use the eraser. I'm going to use the texture pen eraser to erase its, to make it like a transparent wings, not fully like partially transparent wings. So I just created this and it looks good. Now I'm going to use the brush dip and hard and force fade on, and same color I'm going to draw the details. I just reduce the opacity of the brush a little bit, so I want it to be transparent a little bit as well. So this came out really well. I really like these wings, the transparency of the wings, details of the wings. So I'm using airbrush, same color, to add little bit of brightness and at the center of the wings, at the meeting point of the wings. So now I feel like the hand is hidden. So using lasso tool, I selected the hands position in the hands and legs layer, and using the transform tool, I just changed its position to a little bit above. Then I'm going to add some details to the background. So I just off the mirror ruler and use the airbrush with maximum size and some mild color and some darker color at one side. So to create something like gradient background. So this is the final look. I hope you like this, and if you want to make digital art using the fur details, please download the brush. It is available online. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more art tutorials. Thank you.